Today we're tackling a topic that can breathe new life into your laptop: resetting Windows 10 or 11 and formatting your device. Let's get started. Tip 1. Back up your data. Before we dive in, the golden rule: back up your important data. Whether it's to an external drive or the cloud, make sure your cherished files are safe and sound. Tip 2. Resetting Windows. For a fresh start with Windows, head to your settings. In Windows 10, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. For Windows 11, it's in System and Recovery. Click on Reset this PC and choose whether to keep or remove your files. Follow the prompts and let Windows work its magic. Tip 3. Formatting your laptop. Now, if you're aiming for a clean slate, formatting is the way to go. You'll need a Windows installation USB. Boot from it, choose Custom Install, and when you see your drive options, select the drive you want to format. Click Next and let the installer do its thing. Tip 4. Reinstalling drivers and updates. Post-reset or format, don't forget to reinstall drivers and Windows updates. Head to the Device Manager for drivers and Windows Update for the latest system patches. This ensures your laptop runs smoothly. And there you have it, a quick guide on resetting Windows 10 or 11 and formatting your laptop. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time,